In today's video, we'll understand female reproductive hormones in the simplest way possible, step by step. Control center of reproductive hormones. The female reproductive system is mainly controlled by three important organs: the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, and the ovaries. Together, they form a communication pathway. The hypothalamus is a part of the brain. It starts the entire reproductive process by releasing a hormone called GnRH. GnRH stands for gonadotropin-releasing hormone. This hormone travels to the pituitary gland and tells it to release two very important hormones, FSH and LH. Think of GnRH as the starting command of the female reproductive system. FSH stands for follicle stimulating hormone. It is released from the anterior pituitary gland. The main job of FSH is to stimulate the growth of ovarian follicles. Now, what are follicles? Follicles are small sacs present inside the ovaries, and each follicle contains an immature egg. During every menstrual cycle, FSH helps one follicle grow and mature. As the follicle grows, it starts producing another important hormone called estrogen. Easy mnemonic. FSH equals follicle starts here. Estrogen is one of the main female sex hormones. It is mainly produced by the growing ovarian follicles. Estrogen has many important functions in the female body. Functions of estrogen: development of breasts, female body shape, growth of reproductive organs, thickening of the uterine lining, regulation of menstrual cycle. Estrogen is also responsible for many female secondary sexual characteristics that appear during puberty. Simple line: estrogen builds and beautifies the female body. When estrogen levels rise to a certain point, another important hormone suddenly increases, and that hormone is LH. LH stands for Luteinizing Hormone. This hormone is also released from the anterior pituitary gland. A sudden rise in LH is called the LH surge. The LH surge causes ovulation. Now, what is ovulation? Ovulation is the release of the mature egg from the ovary. Easy mnemonic. LH launches the egg after ovulation. The empty follicle changes into a structure called the corpus luteum. This corpus luteum starts producing another important hormone, progesterone. Progesterone is mainly produced after ovulation by the corpus luteum. Its main function is to prepare and maintain the uterus for pregnancy. Functions of progesterone: maintains endometrium, supports implantation, helps maintain pregnancy, prevents excessive uterine contractions. Simple line: progesterone protects pregnancy. If pregnancy does not occur, progesterone levels fall and menstruation begins. Menstrual cycle summary. So, let's quickly revise the whole cycle, step by step. Double quotes. Step 1. Hypothalamus releases GnRH. Step 2. Pituitary releases FSH and LH. Step 3. FSH grows follicles. Step 4. Follicles produce estrogen. Step 5. High estrogen causes LH surge. Step 6. LH causes ovulation. Step 7. Corpus luteum produces progesterone. Step 8. If pregnancy does not happen, gives hormone levels fall, gives menstruation starts. Another important female hormone is prolactin. It is released from the anterior pituitary gland. Its main function is milk production. After childbirth, high prolactin levels can also suppress ovulation. Oxytocin is released from the posterior pituitary gland. This hormone helps uterine contractions during labor and milk ejection during breastfeeding. It is also called the bonding or love hormone. So, female reproductive hormones work together like a perfectly coordinated team. From puberty to menstruation, from ovulation to pregnancy. Every major reproductive event is controlled by these tiny chemical messengers. Once you understand the pathway step by step, the entire topic becomes much easier and more interesting.